What's happening? This is Johnny Snow in the building, and today I'm finna do a little bit of work to my Prodigy. Alright, so here we have the Springfield Prodigy. I have the Trijicon SRO on this thing. I got the Baldor S, and I'm about to change just a few things on this. All right. First off, I've been wanting to put a Magwell on here, and I finally got me a Magwell from EGW, Evolution Gunworks. All right. So I'm about to go ahead and put the Magwell on, and I got a replacement for the flashlight. So let's go ahead and take care of that. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to take this magazine out, and let's go ahead and take this off as well. And here is the Magwell. All right, this is from EGW, like I said, Evolution Gun Works. Let you guys get a good look at that. Springfield Prodigy Magwell. All right. So these are relatively easy to put on, in my opinion. You slide them on the back like that. Make sure, just so everybody knows, she is empty. But yeah, you just slide them on the back like that. All right. And let's see, let me sit this on my trusty roll of tape. You have a pin that you want to put in. Hold on. Let me get this pin in here. And the way I do it is I don't take the other pin out and do all that. I just use this pin to push the other pin out. That way you're on there, the other pin comes out. You don't have to go through trying to reset your mainspring housing. Real quick, fast, in a hurry. See the pins in there, and you are done. Magwell installed. Magwell install. Function check. Everything still works good. So that part right there is done. Quick, fast, in a hurry. All you need is your non-marking hammer and your roller tape is what I like to use. Next, we have the StreamLight TRL1, which, you know, I personally kind of like how this was on here, but then I got to looking at it and I didn't like how it stopped short and everything, and decided to just, plus with the dot on here, I'm cool with just having a light instead of a light laser. So let's go ahead and open up this StreamLight. So we have the StreamLight right here. We have various tools and little brackets because you may want to adjust how it sits on your weapon. And we have the batteries. All right. Alright, use only StreamLight, Panasonic Sanyo, or Energizer CR123A or Duracell 123. Do not mix brands or old and new batteries. Explosion fire, burn, hazard. All right. So that's in there. We have batteries. It comes with batteries, and it actually comes with StreamLight batteries. StreamLight batteries. And on the sides, it has which way the batteries are supposed to point. Which way the batteries are supposed to point. So let's go ahead and install these batteries. All right, get that in there, and there is the flashlight. She is bright. No need to blind everybody. No need to blind everybody. All right, so let me set all this to the side. I will read the notes and everything later. Let's go ahead and install this on here. And all right, it is on there. Now let me tighten it down just a little bit. All right. So we are tight on there. All right. And there you have it. You have the EGW Magwell on there. Here, hold on just a second. All right, so we have the EGW Magwell installed, and like I say, that is one of the simplest installs you'll ever want to do. Simple, simple, simple. And then we have the TRL1 on it. And also, if you haven't seen the video, I did a video on the installation of the Trijicon SRO. So this thing is getting close to where I want it. We're gonna probably do a little some with the safety and the trigger and all that. So, you know, we're gonna do a few things to it. And also, like I said before, check out Modern Pistoleros. You know what I mean? And they do stippling, Cerakote, all that good stuff, and they do awesome stippling. You know, so I plan on sending a couple of my weapons down there to let them do a few things to them. So definitely go check them out on Instagram and Facebook and on YouTube. So definitely check them out. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me, do I need to stop or do I need to just keep going? Do I need to stop or do I need to just keep going? Hit me up. Let me know what you think. All right. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. All of these weapons, you know, got a few things going on with the Echelon as well. But yeah, so you can follow the journey that I take all of these on. And also hit them notifications so you can get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.